Mashed potato rings are best snacks for special occasions. It will decorate the dinner tables. You cannot stop by eating one. With tomato ketchup or directly, they taste delicious. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special mashed potato rings. First we will boil the potatoes. For that, take 500 grams of potatoes. It will be 3 pieces of medium-sized potatoes. Pour enough water and boil till potatoes cook completely. Use chips type potatoes for this recipe. Yellow flush potatoes will not taste good and rings will not be crispy. Insert the skewer. If it goes freely inside the potato, they boil enough. Switch off the stove, drain the water and let it cool down. After cools down, peel the skin and place them in a bowl. After you have finished peeling all, take masher and mash the potatoes. There should not be any lumps. Lumps will block the way while making rings. Now add 30 grams of cornstarch. You can replace it by corn flour. Add 15 to 20 ml of milk. Don't add all at once. Add as per the consistency. If your potatoes are juicy type, you can even skip the milk. Mix well. Now add 1 whole egg. If egg spoils, it will spoil my batter. To avoid this, I am breaking eggs separately. Now it's time to add spices. Add ¼ teaspoon of white pepper powder, ½ teaspoon of black pepper powder, salt to taste. Here I'm using black Himalayan salt. You can use regular salt as well. For flavor, ½ teaspoon of parsley. Mix well all the ingredients. Now drop this batter into the icing bag. Now pour enough oil for deep frying. When oil heats up, press the batter slowly and rotating make a ring shape. Rotate and fry evenly on both sides. That's it. Our tasty mashed potato rings are ready. If you like this video, give thumbs up. Your subscription is a big support to me and to my channel. Please comment below your opinion on this video.